Future homeowners. Are you ready to make your dream of owning a home a reality, but find yourself in a crowded and competitive market? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into the secrets of making your offer stand out. With a little know-how from us, you'll be ready to catch a seller's eye and secure your future home. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about understanding the market. In a world where multiple offers are the norm, knowing what you're up against is key. It's like being in a race where everyone wants to finish first, but only one can win the prize. By researching recent sales in your desired area and knowing what homes are going for, you'll be better equipped to make a strong offer. Next, let's focus on pre-approval. Imagine you're a seller looking at two offers, one from someone who's just hoping they can afford your home and another from someone with a letter that says, "Yes, I can definitely afford this." Who would you choose? Getting pre-approved for a mortgage shows sellers you're serious and ready to go, making your offer shine brighter than the rest. Now, let's add a personal touch. In a sea of numbers and contracts, a personal letter to the seller can really make your offer stand out. Share a little about yourself and why their home is perfect for you. It's like making a new friend, showing you care can go a long way. Flexibility can also set your offer apart. Sellers have their own timelines and needs. By being open to negotiating closing dates or even renting the home back to them for a short time, you're showing empathy and understanding. It's like saying, "I'm not just here to buy your house, I'm here to make this as smooth as possible for both of us." Sometimes, making your offer stand out is about sweetening the deal. This can mean offering a bit more than asking price, limiting contingencies, or even offering to cover certain closing costs. Think of it as putting a cherry on top of your offer to make it extra appealing. In a competitive market, being prepared for a bidding war is crucial. Set a budget and know your limits. It's like going into a battle with a strategy, knowing when to push forward and when to hold back can be the difference between winning and losing. Securing a home in a competitive market might seem daunting, but with these strategies, you're well on your way to making an offer that stands out. Remember, we are here to guide you through every step of this exciting journey. For more information and personalized advice on making your home purchase successful, be sure to connect with us. We're here to help you navigate the housing market and turn your dream home into a reality. Until next time, happy house hunting.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram @MitchellMilat or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.